Sat there with your hands so still, telling stories I could never feel. Your voice was calm, but my thoughts ran loud. A stranger in my house, and yet somehow I was staring through a narrow frame, seeing shapes but not their name. Eyes closed, I saw the light, not with vision but with quiet. In the dark your world drew mine, lines on paper turned to sky, and I saw it all. Silence hung like cathedral walls. No stained glass, just the echoing call of someone who knew what it meant to me, but never stopped reaching for the truth. When I picked up the pen, I shook you instead, and everyone said. Eyes closed, I saw the light, not with vision but with quiet. In the dark your world drew mine, lines on paper turned to sky, and I saw it all. Sat there with your hands so still, telling stories I could never feel. Your voice was calm, but my thoughts ran loud. A stranger in my house, and yet somehow I was staring through a narrow frame, seeing shapes but not their name. Eyes closed, I saw the light, not with vision but with quiet. In the dark your world drew mine, lines on paper turned to sky, and I saw it all. With no eyes at all. you.